Do you want to learn how to make infographic animations like these? In this video, I'll show you how to do it with this tool called Motion With. So let's get to it. There's a link in the description. You can go through that and follow along with this tutorial. Alright, so when you click on that link, it'll take you over to the Motion With. You need to sign up for an account. Once you've done that, they've got these two engines. So if you hover on it, motion graphics, they've got motion graphics first, and then second one is infographics. This is AI animated infographics. They have this native animation builder inside Motion With. With this, you can make After Effects style animations, and it can even be extended up to 60 seconds. But with motion graphics, it's like AI video. So you're using the AI models like Kling, Minimax, or Google Veo 3. But do keep in mind that Motion With has been trained on these motion graphics. It's not like you can go over to Kling AI and get the same result. So I'm going to show you both of them, how they operate. First, let's take a look at the infographics. So in order to do it, you can either just click here to go into it, but I'm going to go over to templates. Click on this. Then in animation templates, you can select maps, infographics, charts, graphs, pie charts, etc. You can click on infographics and you can see these are the templates that you can use. So listicle animations, grid layout animations, and such. You can go over to charts. These are the animations that you can create. You can edit them. I think this is the infographics option that I showed you here. So let's click over here in order to customize this editable financial chart animation. And this is it. Let's take a look at it first. All right, now I want to edit some things inside it. Like I want the bar that is going below 0 to be in red, but the bars that are going above 0, I want them to be changed to green. Also change some numbers inside it. So on bottom, scroll down, you'll find this prompt bar. Describe what you want to generate or change. Something like this, change below 0 graph to red, above 0 to be green, start from 2025, change 250M in the past to 500M. This is just an example. You can just type a simple prompt like this, and then you can click on this generate option over here. And this is the result. Let's take a look at it. You can see on the bottom here, this net income, the dot that was next to it, it also changed from red to green. And they changed these graphs that were going above 0 to green. And the best part about this native video builder that they got is that you can change the background. So you can make it red or white, or you can even make it a transparent background like this. Looks nice. Now you can also change the aspect ratio. If you make it 9:16, it's going to automatically adjust the layout based on the aspect ratio. It's going to increase or decrease the size of the elements to adjust based on the aspect ratio. So I can make it square, and the animation is also adjusted. There's also duration on the top here. You can change the duration of the animation. You can make it 60 seconds. It's just going to animate slowly based on the duration that you've selected. All right, now next up, let's take a look at the motion graphics option they got. You can make these type of animations with this motion graphics option, but do keep in mind this is AI video, so it's like start and end frame. It's not using that native animation builder, so there may be some artifacts in it. So for this, on top, you first need to go with image and then click on this infographics. Then here, you can type your brand info, brand description, brand colors. You can change them, just need to click on them and change it. You can also change your typography, the heading font and the body font, and the illustration style if you want it 3D or 2D. Now, this thing is important. If you're making an infographic and you just want to make line graph with some illustrations in it, so you just need to select these two. You cannot select all of them because then this is how your output would be. So like here, I've made this. In order to make it, I turned on the timelines and the illustrations. And then on the bottom here, then you need to click here to close that. And here in the prompt field, you need to describe what infographic you need. So you need to just type everything in that simple prompt. If you don't know what you need to type in this prompt field, you can go over to Cloud or ChatGPT, give the AI the information about what you need inside that infographics, and it's going to give you that prompt. Then just put it over here. You can change the aspect ratio for this image, basic or high definition, n number of images that you need, and then click on generate. This is the type of image that is going to generate for you. If you want to change something inside it, you can just click on this remix option. This is another example. So now in order to animate it, we're going to go over to video here and switch this Kling 2.6 to Kling 2.1. This supports start and end frame. All right, now think of this image as an end frame. We need the start frame as well in order to animate it. We take this as a reference like this. We switch over to Nano Banana Pro, and in describe the infographic that you need, we're going to say remove everything except the title on top, something like this, and then click on generate. So for this is what it generated, the image. And for this one, it just removed everything except this title on the top left. You can do the same thing inside Canva as well, but if the AI is able to do it easily, then why not? So once you've got these two images, the start frame and end frame, we switch over to video, and over here, you can see I've made these animations. This is done with the start and end frame. So in order to create it, you need to go over here in prompt bar on bottom, click on start frame and select that image with the text only on top, right or left, without all the elements. Do that and then select end frame like this one. Over here, you need to describe the motion between frames. Now this depends on how you want the animation to flow. For example, in this animation over here, our infographics is flowing from left to right, one by one. So we need to type it over here. Something like this, animate the flow left to right, one by one, nicely. Then once you've done that, on the bottom here, you've got this video generation model. You can click on it, and it's only going to show you the models that supports the start and end frame. And you've got this duration here. You can make it 10 seconds or 5 seconds. So just click on this generate animation. And this is the result that you see here. This was for 5 steps to better sleep. You just animated that and also animated those icons in between. These are some other animations I've done with this tool. This is for Stickman Finance animations, and this one as well. But because this is AI video, the motion graphics, I would not suggest you to go with the motion graphics option, go with the infographics option. It's much better. And I'm also going to show you one more example that I made with infographics. Let's go to projects. Now this is in real time. You would not see any artifacts. Like if you go with the AI video, you would see artifacts in your video. So instead, if you go with this infographics option, you would not be seeing any artifacts in your animation. And yeah, that's it. That's how to make infographic animations with AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more motion related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.